बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई वेलकम यू ऑल इन स्टेम एजुकेशन। मैं हूं आपकी मैथ्स की टीचर आयशा और आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी मैथ्स की नई बुक। ये बुक है 5+ ईयर्स के लिए है और इसके पहले लेसन में हम दो चीज़ें कवर करेंगे। पहले तो है हमारी रिवीजन ऑफ नंबर्स, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि मैथ्स नाम है नंबर्स का, तो हम पहले रिवाइज करेंगे 0 से लेकर 9 तक के नंबर्स with respect to counting, and हम उसके बाद देखेंगे what are tens and units. As you all know my dear kids, जब हम सिंगल डिजिट नंबर से डबल डिजिट नंबर पे जंप करते हैं तो हम जंप कर जाते हैं टेंस में और फिर आ जाते हैं हमारे पास दो नंबर्स। फिर उसके अंदर हमने डिस्टिंग्विश करना है that which number is 10 and which number is 1. तो हम चलते हैं अपने बुक के पेजेस की तरफ और देखते हैं इन दोनों चीज़ों को, काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 9 एंड टेंस एंड यूनिट्स को बुक में कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया गया है। तो ये है हमारे बुक का पेज। इट इज सेइंग नंबर्स यानी कि 1 डिजिट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 0 to 9. Numbers from 0 to 9 are called 1 digit numbers. All other numbers starting from 10 are combination of digits such as 10, 11 and so on. तो 0 से 9 तक के जो नंबर्स हैं उनको हम 1 डिजिट नंबर्स कहते हैं और 10 के बाद जो नंबर्स आएंगे वो कॉम्बिनेशन होते हैं दो नंबर्स के। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टार्टिंग विद 0 which means nothing, so there is nothing over here, 0 and 0 in words as well. Then 1 over here and O-N-E, 2 over here and T-W-O-2, 3 the digit number 3 over here and T-H-R-E-E, 3, and so on up till 9. You are going to write in numerals over here and in words over here. There is a teacher's note as well. Ask the students to count, read and write the numbers 0 to 9 in numerals and words. Then explain that 1 digit numbers are from 0 to 9 representing units and complete this exercise in activity book for more practice. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक और activity given है that use your finger to write numbers 0 to 9 on the surface of the sand tray. Then on the next page my dear kids यहाँ पे है count the objects in each group and write the number. Let's count these caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you are supposed to write 7 over here. Then we have some frogs and oranges. You are just supposed to count them and write the number in this box. The next question is match the numerals with the number words. Yes. तो my dear kids, यहाँ पे हैं हमारे पास कुछ numbers and यहाँ पे है हमारे पास number words यानी कि number names as well. So the first number name is 3. We are going to match this spelling with the number 3. Then 5 with the number 5, 8 with the number 8 and same goes on till the last of this question. Just match the number words with the numbers. अब next बात है हमारे पास जो मैंने introduction में आपको डिटेल में बताई that what are tens and units. So the page shows I don't know but I have been told the values are digits hold. First, we look to the right and see the units shining bright. Next, we move one spot to the left. Tens are there and they are the best. So my dear kids, this is a small rhyme which is describing tens and units that on the right side we always have units and on the left side हमारे पास हमेशा tens होते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं this is a bar of 10 and these are 3 units. So the tens are at left place and the units are at the right place. Together it makes the number 13. So that is why this boy is pointing at the left side and showing tens and this girl is pointing at the right side which is showing units. यहाँ पे हम ये दोनों बच्चे शो कर रहे हैं that left side पे होते हैं tens and on right side we have the units. यहाँ पे है एक बहुत ही interesting सा question. How many units make 1 10? So my dear kids, 10 units make 1 10. See, these are 10 units and together we put them in the tower, and that is how we made 110. There is a teacher's note as well. Use blocks to introduce the concept of units and tens. Complete this exercise in activity book for more practice. And then there is an engineering part as well. Use sticks and rubber bands to bundle 10 units into a group of 10. और हमारे पास नेक्स्ट हैं 2-digit numbers from 10 to 19. एंड यहाँ पे है एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात कि a bundle of 10 sticks is known as 10. तो हम अब 10 को अलग काउंट नहीं करेंगे. We will count it as one unit like 10. For example, remember 10 is the first 2-digit number. So here we have 10 and a bundle of 10 sticks. 10 and in words as well. So 10 and 1, 11 in numerals here, and in words ELEVEN. 12. 10 and 2, 12, and in words TWELVE. 13. 10 and 3, 13, and the spellings as well THIRTEEN, and same goes till the last number 19. There is a teacher's note. Ask the students to count, read and write the numbers 10 to 19 in numerals and words. Then explain that the numbers given above are 2-digit numbers, each consisting of 110 and a unit from 0 to 9. Complete this exercise in activity book for more practice. And there is some mathematics that use a 10 frame and dried beans to show the numbers from 10 to 19. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन. We played with different numbers and we have revised them along with their names as well. हम दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ और एक नए लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.